There are 10 hacks to instantly level up your guitar playing. Number 1, relax. Too much tension slows you down. Stay loose to play faster and more accurately. Number 2, practice economy of motion. Keep your movements efficient and small to conserve energy. Number 3, mindful practice. Focus on what you're working on. Don't just go through the motions. Number 4, experiment with tone. The smallest tweak can make your playing sound much better and more dynamic. Number 5, play the right strings. Different gauges can change your tone and feel dramatically. Number 6, use the right pick. Try different sizes and materials until you find one that fits your playing style. Number 7, make sure your guitar is set up properly. A well-maintained instrument plays and sounds 100 times better. And number 8, always warm up properly. Get those fingers loose and blood flowing before you dive into serious playing. Number 9, always cool down. Always do this after playing to avoid strain and keep your hands in top shape. And number 10, of course, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss more pro tips like these. Follow these 10 hacks if you want an instant improvement in your playing.